Cardano is breaking out to new all-time highs. How high can Cardano go? Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, we'll be comparing Cardano to Ethereum, compare Cardano's market cap to Ethereum's market cap, look at the developments Cardano has got coming up with smart contracts, and try to make predictions for how high Cardano can go. Also, guys, I'll be sharing with you exactly how we're trading Cardano in the Rockstar Trading Group. Anyone can make predictions, but knowing when to buy, when to sell, and actually make profit is a completely different thing. So I'll be sharing with you where you can buy. I'll share with you a buy setup at the end of the video and where we're looking to take profit in the Rockstar Trading Group. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Before I get into all the price predictions, let me just quickly review what Cardano has done. Cardano has literally pumped more than 10x. If you got in Cardano before all this hype drama, you could be making life-changing worth of money. So I want to thank everyone that's been supporting Cardano, supporting my channel, part of the Cardano ecosystem. A massive thank you. You know, people called me crazy for, talking about Cardano to $1 around this prices. Again, go check out all the YouTube videos. I share all my trade setups like this, when I'm buying, when I'm selling, beforehand. So these are not after the facts, and I wish I held all the Cardano I bought around here. I would be a lot richer person, because I sold, my first target was $1. I still hold 5% of what I bought around these prices, but I sold most around $1 and $2. Those were my main targets. So again, I still think Cardano will carry on going higher, but I just wanted to thank you all before, because people always say crazy, when you make crazy predictions, and the predictions I'll make this video, people will say, oh, this is too high, it's not going to happen. But I don't say it's going to happen next year or next, it's not going to happen next week. It will take time, it will take months and years. What Cardano is trying to do with smart contracts, and if they can get developers coming in, what they're trying to DeFi, it's revolutionary technology, and it's going to disrupt the whole financial ecosystem. And if Cardano can achieve its goals, the prices it can go to is still ridiculous. And I'm not even going to talk about 5-10 years. In the next couple of years, we might see crazy prices in Cardano. So that's a bit of intro before I get into the video. So before we look at market cap, guys, I want to just quickly talk about Cardano's updates. The main update that people are really excited about is smart contracts, and the date the smart contracts is planned to be upgraded for the Lonzo upgrade is 12th of September. That's the release date. Lead Cardano developer has told us, and that's going to be big news. We've been waiting for Cardano. We love Cardano's methodological approach, where they have a really, they don't just make updates, they work together. The structure, the academic process that they follow to upgrade, it does take time. But if smart contract functionality allows more more applications to come to Cardano, and helps with lending, more financial decentralized trading, DeFi, then it can definitely challenge Ethereum. But at the moment, we have to be realistic. Ethereum has already got smart contracts. It has got high fees, so that is a negative for Ethereum. So but Ethereum already has smart contracts, already has a lot of DeFi and people using it. So Cardano needs to be able to release smart contracts, needs to get all developers coming into the project, and needs to also have low fees. If Cardano can do that, if we look at Cardano's market cap at the moment, which is 80 billion, if we look at Ethereum market cap and divide that by Cardano's market cap, Cardano could 5x, the price of Cardano could 5x. So if Cardano can deliver smart contracts successfully, get developers moving on to Cardano ADA ecosystem, and also have low fees, Cardano's price could 5x, which would take Cardano's price above $10, and that is a realistic target for Cardano potentially in the next year or so. But those are massive ifs. Releasing smart contracts, still having decentralization whilst having smart contract functionality, and having loads of developers, people using it. Those are massive asks, and if you believe Cardano can do it, yes, you can take that bet and buy Cardano. So that's a price prediction I wanted to make. And the crazier price predictions, people make $20, $30, $50. I don't think we're going to see them in the next 4 years. For that to happen, Bitcoin will have to be above 100k, because Bitcoin is still king. Cardano will have to achieve all the things that I mentioned. If they can do that, then yes, maybe we can see those crazy prices. But if you ask me if I see those happening, I don't see them happening as realistic as some of the other some of the other prices that I mentioned. So realistically, if Cardano can achieve smart contracts successfully, if they can get more developers and have less fees, Cardano can head towards $10. If Cardano releases smart contracts successfully and slightly starts working towards competing with Ethereum, I see Cardano heading towards $5. So those are my price predictions in the longer time frame. So $5 in the next couple of months and $10 in the next year or so, if they can get developers coming into Cardano. But if you ask me my predictions, I would say that Cardano to $5 is a realistic prediction. So that's my prediction from fundamentally. But let's look at charts. Charts are really important. Every time I share a trade setup, I always try to talk about the risks. If something goes wrong, I will exit that trade. So in the YouTube videos, you can check all my Cardano videos, and I recommend you do that. If you want to make life-changing worth of money, it will probably take you a bit of time, but go back and watch how I traded the Shelly mainnet launch in Cardano back in 2020, and then we've traded Alonzo and all these trades. That's how we look to trade it. We use buy the rumor, sell the news event, and there is a risk of sell the news event with smart contracts, and I'll talk about that. That's why I want to share with you exactly how we're trading it. So this recent trade, I'll be honest, I haven't traded this well. I didn't get my pullback. I wanted to buy Cardano above 150 and it just pumped without me. So I personally didn't get in. We got in the Rockstar trading group when it got above here, and it's still a really good trade. I've taken some profits on this when it came to this resistance for 24%, and now I'm up about 40% on the second half of that position. That was my trade. The other trade we shared, again, in the YouTube videos, I share where I'm buying, my targets, my price predictions. In the Rockstar trading group, guys, I can share with you exactly when I'm entering, my profit targets, my stop losses. This is the Cardano post I said when it was breaking out, buy some spot and then break out above here, we'll buy it, buy more. You can check the time. It was posted around 7 o'clock yesterday. It was before the breakout. If you are interested in the Rockstar trading group, guys, I'll leave the links below. There's a trial. You can trial us for a month, see if this group is for you for less than 30-40 bucks. There's Telegram group, 3 to 4 live streams, there's strategy, a video series and all that good stuff. If you are interested, I'll leave the links below for you. So that was another trading Cardano. Now I am bullish on Cardano as long as it's holding above $2. This is short time frame. Long term, guys, I've shared with you my predictions. Cardano can dip 50%. If you're looking to invest, you need to have strong hands. For my position that I mentioned from less than 10 cents, I held Cardano through this huge dips we saw. A lot of people exited Cardano. It had a 60% dip, but as my entry was really good, I held that. So that's another thing you have to, if you're investing, this is you have to have a complete different mindset. You can't start getting scared. If you're investing, don't look at the charts. You're looking at a longer time frame. This is from trading point of view, and I personally make most of my money from trading, but I do invest in and hold some good projects. Like if I get in a good trade, get in a good coin, we talk about letting things run in the Rockstar trading group, and there's so many coins pumping at the moment. I can share with you a couple. XDC is one coin that we're trading at the moment. HBAR is pumping. There's so many coins. I've not seen markets like this for a while. So take advantage of it. Whether you want to join our group, learn our strategy, use this time and take advantage of it, because when markets are just going sideways like this, you can't make money. If you ask me, if you join my group here, I won't be able to make as much money as you can make when things are pumping. And people that say you can always make money, they're usually lying, and they're probably got some other interest. So make sure you just educate yourself and trust yourself. Don't trust me, don't trust anyone. Educate yourself so you can look after your own finances. One thing I always say to my members is no one's going to look after your finances like you will. You'll trust you're the only one that can be trusted. So educate yourself, and you can make some life-changing money in this market opportunities that we have got. So let's come back to the trade setup now. I'm looking to buy Cardano around 2.3 to 2.2. This pullback is where I'm looking to get in, and if Cardano starts trend changing below $2, I'll have stop loss, slightly wide stop loss, but if it starts trend changing below $2, I will have to look to exit. And for that trade, my target is 2.8. That's what we're targeting in the Rockstar trading group for now. That's a short time frame trade we're looking for. Around there, I'll sell half, and if it keeps on pumping, let it run, and then if we get more pullbacks, we'll buy. high, you know, people will FOMO in at the top again. But short time frame, I think in this week or so, I think Cardano heads to $2.83, and higher time frame comparing to market cap of Ethereum and fundamentals of Ethereum, and if Cardano project, Charles Hodgkinson and the team can deliver, I see Cardano heading towards this price. Cardano can have a really big spike with Bitcoin pumping. We can expect a unrealistic pump like that, but you know, I can't predict that. It's just if Bitcoin goes to 100k and people start FOMOing in, we could see a spike to $10. But I think that if we just quickly spike there might be a sell-off. But again, get your positions ready. I've shared with you our trade setups, and this might be slightly complicated. You know, start buying support, selling resistance, the basic stuff that I teach, and then use that trade setup to buy some Cardano. And the key zone short time frame is $2, targeting around $2.8, and high time frame, my prediction is around $5. The key thing is we should not really break below $180. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. In the comment section below, let me know about what you think of this prediction. Do you think Cardano pumps? Comment below your thoughts on Cardano project, and also comment below your price prediction. And if you are interested in the Rockstar Trading Group, I'll leave the links below. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Go Cardano!